Hello YouTube. I'm gonna show you my new sound machine. Here it is. It really is a sound machine. See, that's all the tones. I'll turn it down to show you all the tones. Because it's a fifth word, by the way. Here's waterfall, the default tone that I like. Rain. Summer night. Let's see this one, thunder. Ocean with birds, which I hate birds in my sleep. And rain. Forest. But I'll put it back on waterfall. Yeah, that is the sound machine. Well, the sound machine does have a weird clicking noise it makes, so I just got a new sound machine. Also, I just got that sound machine. I got a surprise for you guys. Also, you see that back there? Yep, that's the surprise. And also, I have a new Barbie doll. Her name's Alyssa. Here's the surprise. Another GE weather radio. This time I named this one Sophie. And the speaker is bad on it. And it does not have an alert tone, unfortunately. Because it's broken in some way. But it flashes the light. But you can tell there's no alert tone on it. Here's Alyssa up close. She's an autism Barbie, but that's all the way to the video. Also got a fax machine for only 99 cents. They did a discount, so that's why it was 99 cents. This is a Brother 775 fax machine. It's pretty cool, but I don't know how to work these things that well, but it's pretty cool. I do have another GE weather radio, but I always like that one. You probably recognize it. Yeah, I do have another one of those somewhere. But this sound machine is pretty nice. I like it a lot. Replaces my old sound machine. It also has radio in it, but I'm not gonna use the radio. I'll probably use the radio occasionally, but it's most likely just gonna be used as a sound machine. I don't really care about the alarm clock part. I'm okay about the radio part. Also, the projector thing right there is broken. I can tell it's broken because it's on the on position. And also, it's not, unless I don't know how to set it up. But this is pretty cool. Yep. Also, my version 4 W100 that was kind of new in box had died. Some bad news, but then in the video, I'll offer for a positive note. Let's just see some sounds. Anyways, that's it.